Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm on the beach at the seaside and wristwatch check. I'm having my Tudor Pelagos and just want to give you a report. I'm loving it on the beach and it's legible. It's very lightweight because of the titanium, and when I did a bit of snorkeling and with the goggles, and it's very legible underwater. So long story short, I love it, and I just wanted to share this opportunity to give you a little update on the watch. Yeah, to give you a little update on the watch. I've been loving it so far, and I definitely haven't looked back on it, and it's I think it's a great buy and perfect summer watch for everyone. And I had the opportunity to trade it up, to sell it, and I think it's easy to sell this kind of watch, but I kind of was looking forward for the summer, and even though maybe I will trade it, but I will try, give my best not to. If I trade it, it will be something really badass and something even more cool and cooler than this one. So definitely happy with the watch. It's super lightweight, comfortable, looks great on the wrist. I've been giving it to my friend, so he was glancing at it. If you want to see how your watch looks like, give it to someone sitting across your desk and just enjoy it. It looks so much better. So yeah, hopefully the audio will be great. I have waves out there, some noise and distractions, but just a little update from the beach, and a perfect opportunity to wear and test my Tudor Pelagos. And also I have another diver in the mail, so looking forward to that as well. So stay tuned, guys, and I'm edcgunner signing out, and cheers.